खुल नहीं रहा है. वाओ, खुल नहीं रहा है. थैंक गॉड. मस्कारा अप्लाई करते वक्त कैसे अजीबोगरीब फेसेस आती है, जैसे Hello everyone, this is Poulami. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do Durga Puja makeup tutorial step by step. So all you know that Durga Puja is coming, Bengali's biggest festival, and yeah, we are all excited for Durga Puja. And from today I'm gonna start my Durga Puja series, and in this series I will upload more videos on Durga Puja. So let's get started. So at first I'm gonna apply lip balm. Next I'm gonna apply primer. So I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and this much quantity is enough. I'm gonna start with eye makeup. So here I'm using Wet n Wild concealer. Next I'm gonna do my eye makeup, and here I'm using Hilary Rota eye palette, and this is a 16 squad palette. So at first I'm gonna take this shade on my crease line. Next I'm gonna take this shade and do this purple eye look, which is gonna be very pretty. Next, taking this shade and I will blend it out here to give a shadow. And I'm done with my one eye, and I will do the other eye on off camera, and I will be right back. Done. So next I'm gonna do my base with a foundation and then a concealer. So here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Toffee 330. Next I'm gonna apply concealer. I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. So next I'm gonna apply compact, and for I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me compact in the shade Toffee powder. Next I'm gonna done my eyebrows. So I have this Miss Clear waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade I think dark brown. So time to apply a blush. So here I'm using Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. So access the dab, do a fake smile and then apply. Now it's time for contour. So I have this Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette. So here I'm using Stay Creaky. So I've just applied my eyeliner. So जब तक ये सुखाती है तब तक मैं यहाँ पे ये शेड लेके अपनी लोअर लैश लाइन पे ज़रा ब्लेंड कर लेती हूँ. I'm gonna do curling my lashes. So I'm gonna apply mascara. So here I have Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara in the shade Blue. So मैं अभी blue mascara apply करूँगी. तो isn't that looking the peacock eye? Okay, so next I'm gonna apply highlighter and Shivana की highlighter use कर रही हूँ. Inner corner highlight करूँगी. अब ज़रूरत है एक मेकअप सेटिंग स्प्रे की, बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ की जो वेदर है दुर्गा पूजा के टाइम बहुत ही गर्मी रहेगी, तो इसलिए मेकअप सेटिंग स्प्रे की बहुत ही ज़रूरत है. तो next I'm applying a lipstick, and here I'm using this Wet n Wild MegaLast liquid lipstick, new shade Cellent. So this is kind of a burgundy deep red shade. So that was my look for Durga Puja, and if you like this video then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that whenever I'm on YouTube you will be notified. Till my next video, spread love, take care, bye bye.